Hi, and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to take a look at how to get to your TC Online class and how to navigate through your TC Online course. Remember, you can get to TC Online by going to My TC and clicking on TC Online-Moodle LMS under the quick links. You can also get to TC Online by going to tconline.texarkanacollege.edu. Upon logging into TC Online, you're taken to a page that looks like this. This is your landing page. At the top, you'll see different cards that represent the courses that you're currently enrolled in. We're going to take a look at this course to see how it's set up. You'll notice when you log in to your course, you can see the title of the course at the top of the page. Often, there will be a cover image at the back. When I'm looking at this course as a student, first, notice that I am directly in already the Welcome Orientation section of this course. Also, I notice the contents of the course. This is the organization of the course. I can click through any of these chapters to be taken through the course. You might note that any professor may set up their course in chapters, weeks, units, or modules. It's just whatever makes sense for their course. Let's look at the welcome screen. Typically on the welcome screen, you're going to find an image of your course textbook and maybe a little information about the course. Again, the course name and title, possibly a picture of your professor, and so on. Next, you should find the Getting Started book. This book will help you understand how to start the course and where to go to find certain aspects of the course, like your grades or how to post forums. Even things like your online communication and the online course handbook can be found in this book. It's important for you to click through each page of this book in order to get a good idea of how to be successful in your online course. Next is the syllabus. Again, you must go through each page of this course to find out what the requirements are for each of your courses. Every syllabus will be different, and every instructor expects different things, so be sure that you click through each and every page of a book. Let's take a look at what a book looks like. If I click on the syllabus, I'll notice that the table of contents is to the left-hand side. I can also click Next at the bottom of each page to go to the next block in the table of contents. I'm going to go back. You can go back by clicking on any of these breadcrumbs in the top corner of the page, or you can just click on the course title to be taken back to the welcome page. Now at the welcome page, I'm going to go ahead and scroll back down. As I scroll down, I will see the Professor's Corner and the Coffee Shop. These will be found in your course on the welcome section of every class. Sometimes the Professor's Corner might be called the announcements or something similar, but just note that this forum is where your professor can post important announcements for you as a student. They will go directly to your email as well, so watch out for those. The coffee shop, it may be called something different, but it's a typical social place where you can communicate with your classmates about the course. You can ask questions about assignments or make comments. Just remember that your professor can read the posts that you make, and it's just a good place for you to collaborate with others in your course. Let's take a look at Chapter 1. You notice that on the welcome screen, I scrolled to the bottom and clicked Next Unit and was taken to Chapter 1. You can do that, or you can always scroll to the top of the page and click whatever chapter you need to be in. So taking a look at Chapter 1, at the top of your page, you'll find an image or information about what to expect this unit or chapter, and usually the dates that the course, dates that this chapter will be due, when it starts and when it ends. Next, and very important, is the overview section. In the overview, you'll find a little introduction, any outlines, your learning aims, which are really important. This will show you what you're trying to learn in the course. Directions on how to complete each of the activities, in which order you should complete them in. And then, of course, just a list of the activities that you'll need to complete. Next is the resources. In the resources, you'll find any slides, reading assignments, videos, and supplementary activities that can help you be successful for this unit. Many times, any of the PDFs or assignments will have their instructions listed here, so you can find them here as well as in the assignments. And last, at the bottom of the page, you're going to find any activities that you will interact with. These are going to be all of the activities that are due that unit or that chapter, and everything you must do as a student. They will have a due date on them, and you will be required to turn something in, whether that be a forum, an assignment, or maybe a quiz. To note, all forums will always have a green bar at the top. Forums are like a discussion board where you interact with your classmates. Assignments will have a blue bar at the top. Assignments typically have an upload portal, and you must upload some sort of completed identification of your work. And last are the quizzes, and they always have an orange border. Now, even if the title says quiz here, it may actually be a unit chapter. Just the type of activity is called a quiz that the professors upload. Once you click on one of those, you can start your quiz or test there. Again, I'll go back to chapter 2. When you click on an assignment, let's take a look at that. Clicking on an assignment, you'll see here that the professor has a list of questions that they want you to answer. So the best way to answer those questions may be just to add a submission. Answer the questions on a Word document and upload your document here. Let's take a look at a forum. Interacting with forums is pretty easy. I'm going to go back to chapter 1 where the forum was. Notice I scroll to the top of the page and can click chapter 1. To interact with a forum, I simply click on Introduction to Classmates and add a new discussion topic. Be sure to read the directions carefully because some professors require you to respond to your peers. In this introduction, I could just put an introduction about me or all about me as the subject, just something that pertains to what the professor is asking of us. And then I would do my introduction here. Once complete, I simply click Post to Forum and I'm done. I hope this tour of a course was helpful for you. Know that you can always click My Courses up in the upper right-hand corner or My Courses on the breadcrumbs here. Good luck taking your online course, and I wish you all the success.